Okay, I am Malachi Bowman, and we're going to be talking about my bad network program. And a little bit to go over is I have all my libraries I have pulls from, as well as a mixed in good and bad network, which I will go over shortly, as well as my menu, interface, and first name, last name, and email. So when we look over this code a little bit, to break it down a little bit more. Give me a sec. CRC, which I still don't fully understand, but it is there. But here's functions to send to new packet with checksum. So it's going to be checking every time it sends a packet. And then the scheduler for handling the good network traffic. So here's for the good network traffic. Scheduler for handling the bad network. So you can see both right here. They have a timer of 1 second and their tasks that they have to do. Here's the start of a good scheduler, the start of the bad scheduler, and then the function to exit the program, as well as here's my user interface. And you'll see shortly here that it all pops up, and we'll run through each of them a few times. And then here's like if something bad happens, or something bad happens. If I type in bad, it'll do that. If I do good, it'll do that. If I type in exit, it'll do that. And then when I type in all my information, you'll definitely see it. I'll type in my first name, my email, and then I'll type in my last name, and it's going to store it in an allocated memory. Basically, just saying, hey, it is who it is. And also we'll run through a function of me getting that wrong. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's run through it. Okay, so this is me running through it. Let me put my first name in there. And then we'll do my email. Let's just mess up my email real quick. So it just knows. So you can definitely tell this is not me. Now let's put my actual email in. Hopefully I don't butcher this one. And that should be good. It's gonna run through it, yep. And then it's gonna allow me to go on to the next. All right, so you can see here, it verified everything, and then you can tell that it's pulling it into a memory, declaring a memory, all that good stuff. So now we have our menu interface. All right, so now let's actually run the good network, because the good network, everyone sees the bad network. Let's run the good network. All right, so now we have it running on our scheduler, and it is doing increments by 1, and the counter is by 3 right now, and then it jumps up to 4, 5, 6 when it hits a good network. And this will run, I don't have it specifically to a set increment, but it's gonna just keep running on and on. But as you can tell, it adds when it has a good increment. And then when it has a bad one, it will recycle and do its thing. So let's exit out of here and do this all over again. All right, so now we're gonna type in bad and see what the bad network does. All right, as you can tell, watch, you'll see it'll start running, and insert a bit of error, insert a bit of error, and it's just gonna keep doing that over and over and over again. You can tell the counter's going up, but nothing is good. And it's just keep going even if it has an error, which is not what we want. So yeah, that is a bad one network. Same thing, I don't have it as a capped off, so I just keep running forever and ever. Okay, last but not least, we're going to give our exit. So if I just type in exit, and we have bye-bye. So yeah, run the code, did the good network, bad network, exit out, and yeah, that's pretty much it.